Introducing Precise Endmill, the solution to your end mill needs. We are a trusted provider of high-quality end mills that deliver precision and performance for your metalworking operations. With our cutting-edge technology and commitment to excellence, we offer a range of durable and reliable end mills that will streamline your machining processes and enhance your productivity. Let's start. The problem we want to solve is the lack of precision and efficiency in the metalworking industry. Many professionals face challenges in achieving accurate cuts and maximizing their productivity due to inadequate cutting tools. This results in wasted time, materials, and resources. At our company, we make a better solution. We specialize in creating affordable and precise end mills to provide a solution for professionals in need of cutting tools. We understand that cost and precision are crucial factors in the metalworking industry. Therefore, our objective is to offer high-quality end mills that are not only affordable but also deliver exceptional precision. Customer satisfaction is of utmost importance to us. We strive to ensure that our customers are not only pleased with our products but also receive exceptional service throughout their experience with us. In addition, we are committed to sustainable machining practices. We understand the significance of minimizing waste, optimizing resources, and reducing our environmental impact. Together, our dedicated team members bring their unique skills and perspectives to drive the success of our company. With me, Muhammad Fakhrul Aiman's leadership, Danielle Afik's marketing prowess, and the financial expertise of both Danielle Zul and Arif Izzadin, we are well equipped to navigate the challenges of the industry and achieve our business objectives. Join the countless satisfied customers who have already benefited from our end mills. Experience the precision, efficiency, and reliability that Precise End Mill brings to the table. Contact us today to discuss your end mill needs and take your metalworking operations to the next level. Thank you.